guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashanae here, and I'm back with my final Halloween makeup tutorial. And today I'm going to be doing a half colorful face and a half gloomy face. This is the inspo I got from this Instagrammer I came across on Google, and her name is, I don't know how to pronounce it, it's Juliana. I think it's Juliana. It's Giuliannaa. So I'm gonna link her Instagram, and I don't know if she has YouTube. I'm gonna link her Instagram in the description box. I have a pop-up on the screen, so if you guys want to go see it. And I'm about to recreate it, and as you guys see, her freaking eyeshadow is bomb. Like, she has like this colorful yellow, green, purple, and orange in the crease and all this good stuff. So I'm gonna try my best to recreate it, but you know, of course, put a little spice on it. So I already did one eye on camera because I didn't know how this was gonna go. I thought it was gonna go left, but as you guys see, I did recreate it, and I'm just gonna, you know, intensify everything in a minute. But we're gonna do this other eye. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to go with the Perception palette from Shayla. I have a review. I will link it. So I'm going to take my Rare brush and dip into this thick shade. It's called Thick, you should know. Go in with this, my favorite BHCOSMETICS palette for Halloween, and I'm gonna just take e.l.f.'s contour brush, which we're not using it to contour, and we're gonna go on this purple Barney shade. Like, this is like super purple. So now we're going to go in with the Jewel palette from e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'm going to put this purple shade on top, which I should have used this first because I did that on the other side. Lives. Also go in with this angled brush, and I'm going to put some purple. I'm going to cut the crease, define the crease, sorry. I'm going with this Grinch green. Like, this is really a Grinch green right here. So I'm going to go with this shade right here. Just put it in the middle. Take this e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to go into this bright yellow. Okay. Go into this bright yellow right here. And just get to work. try to outline the bottom face. And, you know, okay guys, so I did the blending out, and as far as I had to take off the foundation from the bottom because the white and that will make it brown. I need it to be white, so I just did the little shading around, and now we're going to do the white as soon as I find me a brush to use.